So how to buy Hamster Coin on your Binance account? This is your first overview. If you are using Binance Pro, then you can see this kind of interface. If you are using Lite, then uh, interface will be different. Now go back to your balance. If you press on balance, then you can see I have in my spot I have two on dollar. So to buy any coin, you have to transfer your coin dollar with into your spot area. If you don't know how to transfer, just go to main balance, then press on transfer. Then you can see funding to spot. So you have to transfer your dollar funding to spot. So if you press on this icon, then you can see available balance is $22. So I want to transfer suppose $5 to funding to spot. Then just press on confirm convert. Then if you go back your spot area, then your coin is increased. Now to buy anything, just go back your market area, press on market and search here to suppose I want to buy hamster. Then see hamster USDT, press on this hamster USDT, and then you can see buy and sell option. If you want to buy, then press on buy. Now enter your amount. Suppose I want to buy for 5 USD, and for 5 USD I able to buy 1237 coin. So once done, if you press on a limit, then it will be you can set your price actually. So if you select market, then it will be buy instantly. So you can set a limit or anything. I'm setting limit. Now enter your $5 and press on buy. So total order value should be more than 5 USD. So you have to enter more amount, suppose 7, then press on buy again. Now your order is created. Now to see your hamster coin, you have to go your market area, sorry, home area, then press on your balance again. If you go a spot, then from here you can see your hamster coin is buy for a $6.98. You have 1732. If you want to sell it, just press on this coin again, then select any coin. Now press on sell, select market. Then if you press on sell, then it will be sell instantly. Or you can customize your, if you want to sell all amount, then you can customize it like 50% or 70%. Or if you want to enter amount, you're able to enter your amount as well. So that's it. This is how you can easily buy your hamster. So if you want to sell, then you can check my other video. Hope video helpful. Thank you. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.